Hello everyone. This video will show you how to move Steam games to another hard drive. Now let's see the detailed steps toward the question how to move Steam games to another drive without re-downloading. Open Steam, and locate the settings. Go to Downloads. Click on Steam Library folders. As you can see, I already have 2 Steam library folders, but you will probably just have the one which is where Steam is installed. And so what you want to do to add another library folder. Click this plus button. And then what you want to do is select your other drive. So that would be the F drive in my case. And then click Add. Click Library to open your game's library. And right-click on the game you want to move, and then choose Properties. Switch to the Local Files tab and click the button Move Install Folder. Select the target drive should be moved to. I select Drive F. Click on Move Folder, and it will start moving Steam games to another drive. Completion time will depend on the size of the game. You can try this way to move Steam games to another drive one by one. Thanks for watching this video.